Good morning everyone. I am Roshali Dhanokar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So some students ask me doubts regarding which programming language should I learn first, and also different types of jobs available in now IT industry, job designation, job roles based on programming languages. So this video is for you all. Hope this might be useful for each and every student. Let's see top 10 programming languages to learn in 2021. Next. Before start this session, the first and most important question, which programming language should I learn first? So, programming languages shapes IT era in development and marketing field. We all know that, right? So, it depends on many factors. In your curriculum, you should learn C, C++, Java, .NET and Python, etc. But you are not expert in this subject, right? You just pass out from all the semesters by learning this kind of languages. But for placement and career growth, you should expert in any one language, and you have to decide in your third year or final year of engineering. There are many kind of developer jobs are available, like full stack, front end, back end, web developer, app developer, then game developer, system administrator, and also nowadays there are machine learning and AI developers. This kind of developer jobs are available, and you have to decide it once. What you have to do in your career, in your future, you have to decide it, right? Next. As per the development, right? As per the development or as per your interest, mainly for web application, you should learn JavaScript, which includes Node.js, Angular.js, this kind of frameworks, and also HTML and CSS. You should learn this kind of language mainly. For mobile applications, for iOS, you should learn Swift language, and for Android, you should learn Java and Kotlin. For game development, you should learn C++ or C#, this kind of language. And for data science and machine learning engineer, you should learn Python, MATLAB, R. So as per your interest, as per your current trend, you should learn all those languages as per the domain. It completely depends on you and market trend. Clear? Next. So some basics, right? Suppose you doesn't decide up to which language to learn. So I would suggest you, for beginners, you should learn Python or JavaScript. If you don't know what is programming languages, but you have to willpower to learn the language, and you should get a job in this programming language or in IT industry, right? So for beginners, you should learn Python or JavaScript, and for interested, those have the basic knowledge or some advanced knowledge regarding the programming. So you should learn Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, etc. These are the trending languages like Python, JavaScript, Java. These are the trending languages in 2019-20. So you should go as per market trend. Developers should know logic or working of each and every language as per the requirements, right? So I would suggest for beginners, Python or JavaScript. For interested, Python, JavaScript, C++ and Java. You have to decide it. Clear? Next. So the main points in this session, top 10 programming languages to learn in 2021. So let's see which are the top 10 programming languages you should learn or which is beneficial for your future growth. Next. So the first and most important current trending language is Python. Python is open source object-oriented interpreted language. It provides the supports for developing and graphical user interface. Python is most desired programming skill of the year 2020 in companies. It provides the various features like user-friendly, cross-browser supports, and also easy to use, user-friendly, general purpose, and easily you are interested or interact with the other languages, right? The framework based on Pythons like Django, Flask. If you have to learn Python, then you should know about Django and Flask, this kind of framework. The Google App Engine, Fedora's Anaconda installer, Ubuntu's Ubiquitous installer, this kind of installer used Python framework. There are 1 million repositories on GitHub of Python language, right? So companies like Git, Google, Spotify, Facebook, Insta, Paytm, this kind of product-based companies are hiring Python developers for the designation like Python developer, data scientist, software engineer, data analyst, etc. So these are the trending or most popular language Python in this today's era. Clear? Next. The second and most popular language is Java. Java is open source and easy to learn programming language. Java is most popular language in terms of number of jobs, developer, community, and widespread acceptance in IT industry. We all know in curriculum you should learn Java language. The features of Java is most powerful like memory management, high performance, backward compatibility, cross-platform, and also top-notch security. These are some frameworks which based on Java language like Hibernate, Struct, Spring, etc. There are 1.2 million GitHub repositories of Java. The companies like Cognizant, Wipro, IBM, Tech Mahindra, this kind of companies recruit Java developer for the designation like Java developer, Java architect, web developer, and database admin also. So this is second most popular language in this trend. You must know Java, advanced Java, etc. Clear? Next. The third language is JavaScript. JavaScript is a feature-rich object-based scripting language. Okay? This language is generally for web developers, the simple client-side scripting language, and major framework of both front-end and back-end development. If this language is in your resume, then it opens up doors and opportunities for you in today's trend, right? It provides the features like object-oriented scripting language. These are the some framework like AngularJS, Node.js, Meter, Vue. These kind of frameworks are based on JavaScript language. If you have to learn JavaScript, you must know this type of frameworks. There are 6,000 GitHub repositories of JavaScript language. The top recruiters like Accenture, SAP, Dell, Facebook, Google, these kind of companies are recruits JavaScript developer for the position like front-end developer, JavaScript developer, web developer, UI developer, like this. So this is one of the most important and popular language, JavaScript. Clear? Next. The next fourth number, the most familiar and most easy language, that is C and C++. This is a stepping stone for all the programming. In our curriculum or in academic year, we should study this. This is the base of each and every language, right? C and C++ is the both programming language are quite popular and highly functional. These languages rule about 20% of programming world, right? It provides different features like reliability, availability, legacy statement, and also provide inheritance features. For application development in C language, eBay, Spotify, this kind of company use framework of C and C++ language. The Oracle, Adobe, Dropbox, these kinds of companies are also used framework based on C++. There are many GitHub repositories of C and C++ language. The companies like Wipro, Huawei, IBM, HP, Pay, this kind of companies recruit C and C++ developer today also. Positions like software engineer, AppSoft engineer, C++ analyst, and also a backend developer. So C and C++ is one of the highly basic or beneficial language. If you know C and C++, then you should do work in any languages as per the trend, right? Next. The next language is Golang. So Golang boasts the features like concurrency. So Golang is developed by tech giant Google itself. The features like high scalability and also financial management, this kind of language is used. It used for system development. All the Google apps like Google Classroom, Calendar, then also Drive, Mailbox, this kind of all applications, Google can be used Golang language. Google can be used for machine learning to web development, this language. The framework, these are the different frameworks which based on Golang. The companies like TechSystem, Capgemini, Cisco, Springboard, this kind of company recruits Golang developer. As the designation like Golang developer full stack developer, back-end developer, and software engineer. You all are familiar with this type of products. We generally in our daily life used all the Google products like this. So these products are based on Golang language because it's most and highly scalability language, right? Next. The next language and sixth language is R programming. R programming is the most popular and statistical analysis and data science language. It provides the features like user-friendly cross-browser support. The R programming language generally used in financial domain and build economic models and analyze their transactions. It has ability to create interactive web apps. The most popular IDE used for RStudio. For development purpose, you should use RStudio. There are 6 million GitHub repositories of R programming languages. The companies like Google, Facebook, Twitter, so this kind of product-based companies recruit R programming developer as the designation like financial analyst, data scientist, quantitative analyst, and data analyst. So it's the most popular programming language. It comes to statistical analysis and data science, right? Next. After that, the 7th most popular language is Kotlin. Kotlin is the most trending language of 2019 and also raised in market in 2020. Google endorsed a cross-platform general-purpose programming language. It has a high value in market because it requires less code, less time with fewer bugs. The framework based on Kotlin is Vertex, Ktor, and Spring. See, if you know the Java language, then Android language, then it must to know Kotlin. Kotlin is similar to that or is a group of that particular language. So companies like Wipro, Airtel, Pinterest, Lenskart.com, this kind of companies recruit Kotlin developer as the designation like Android developer, mobile developer, Android platform architect, and also QA engineer, that is quality assurance engineer, because it provides the features like interoperability with Java and also Android Studio support. It's one of the trending language in the market, right? Next. 8th number. The language is C#. C# is simple object-oriented programming languages. An object-oriented programming language with comprehensive set of libraries. It provides the features like simple interoperability. And C# language also used with Microsoft .NET framework. Like Xamarin framework, it is based on C#. It used for design of waveforms and also Windows applications. There are 19,000 GitHub repositories of C# language. C# language generally used for game development like Xbox, VR, like virtual reality, and also 3-dimensional games. The top recruiters are Capgemini, Emphasis, and Philips. This kind of companies recruit C# developers as the position like C# developer, .NET developer, backend developer, and C# architect, right? Next. After that, the 9th number or second last, the most important language is Swift. Swift is object-oriented, back-structured programming language. Swift language provides features like better readability, speed, dynamic libraries. Swift language generally used for reduced application size and provide a better performance. It's made the specifications of application development, right? So these are the features and these are the some frameworks of Swift language. There are 157,000 GitHub repositories. The companies like Walmart, Amazon, Apple, this kind of companies today recruit Swift developer as the position like iOS developer, application developer, developer associate, and mobile application engineer. Before that, the Apple company used C language or Objective-C language for development. Now Apple also switch on the Swift language for development purpose. The operating systems like Mac OS, Apple OS, this kind of OS is based on the Swift language, right? Next. And then also most important language like PHP. We all are familiar with PHP language. Programming language is used for developing and dynamic and data-heavy websites and applications. It provides the features like simple, fast, platform-independent, and open-source programming language. Approximate 80% of top 10 million social websites are based on PHP. These are the highlights like development dynamic websites and data-heavy websites, applications. These are the some frameworks which is based on the PHP. There are 524,000 GitHub repositories, and following companies like Motorola, HCL, Oracle, and also TCS. This kind of companies recruits PHP developer for the designation backend developer, full stack developer, and software engineer. The most common websites like Facebook, Wikipedia, this kind of websites are based on PHP language, right? Next. Now, there are also some other interactive programming languages you should learn in your career like Java, C, Python, C++, .NET, JavaScript, C#, PHP, SQL, Objective-C language, and also MATLAB, R, Perl, assembly language, Swift, Go, Delphi, then Ruby, PLSQL, Visual Basic, etc. If you know every language or any one language perfectly, then you should know the logic of each and every language or each and every programming, right? But syntax are different. Clear? Next. So hope so. According to this video, you should decide to learn programming language as per your interest. Okay? Next. So everyone watch or after watching this video, please mention in comment in which language do you have more interest, right? So keep practicing. Thank you. Hope this might be useful for each and everyone. Thank you.